Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, look at that. There is a lot of animals in here. Let's take one by one. This is a dinosaurs. Wow. Let's put in here, guys. Okay. Wow. Look at that. This is a zebra. Very nice. Wow. Take a look this one. This is a tiger. Wow. This is a black panther. Come on, guys. Take a look. Another one. This is a wolf. Very nice. Okay, what is this? This is a brontosaurus dinosaurs with the green skin. Wow. Okay, guys, this is a pig. See? Take a look, guys. This is a cow. Very cute. Come, guys. There is another one with the big ears. Elephant. Come here, guys. Wow. This is another one. A panda. So look how cute she is. Okay, guys. Thank you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.